Hi, I'm George. I sell scarves in the store, on Amazon, Etsy, and my own site. If you sell on more than one channel, you already know this. Inventory isn't a side task. It's the job behind the job, and it eats time. For the longest time, my system was a spreadsheet I was supposed to update. And when I didn't, I just used my guts to guess. When I wasn't sure, I counted by hand. Hours I didn't get back with customers. Here's what actually hurts money. A lot of what I sell takes weeks to manufacture. If I find out that the bestseller is low after it's thin, that results in empty shelves and lost sales. Not because nobody wanted it, but because I reordered it too late. So I need three things in this order. I need to know early enough when to reorder, I need to get my time back, and see what's selling with data, not with vibes. This is e-inventory, one dashboard for my inventory. Every SKU level, low stock signals, activity, built so I can run it from the floor, not from a spreadsheet. First, reorder time. These colors are in decoration. Green, I'm fine. Yellow, at this level or under this level, the products need reordering. Red, it's at 0. Different scarves need different thresholds. A bestseller shouldn't wait until the same number as a slow style. So I set it myself. Edit, reorder level, save. There, no developer. That's how yellow means order this one before the lead time bites. If you have the right stock on hand, then you can make sales. That is what I call a win. Second, time. Customer just bought in the store. I click log sale, pick the scarf, quantity, done. In about 15 seconds. That is faster than unlocking my phone and using my fat fingers on a spreadsheet while somebody's still holding a scarf. Third, what sold when? Trends tell me when to restock and what to restock. The levels tell me when. Together, buying gets smarter, not vibes. Amazon updates itself about every 3 minutes. Overnight sales are already in the numbers when you open it with a coffee. Sync now if you need this second. Etsy and the counter, they are still on me. Log sale, restock. I won't pretend they're automatic until they are. Where does this go next? Etsy, then the website. The same way that Amazon works today, sales flow in without retyping. The tail, stripe, square, something that rings the sale, so inventory updates when money moves. This app is not the register yet. That's the point of the roadmap. Export, under the hood you already have a CSV file. The stock, the history, the backups. Next is one-click export on the dashboard so nobody digs in folders. You're never locked in. For sellers like us, stock when you need it is so sales hold up. The time back, the threads, the trends, so they're not flying blind. And these numbers need to be honest enough to trust them with real money. I build this for my store first. Shipping now, the dashboard, the pre-SKU, reorder colors, the fast counter log, the Amazon AutoSync. Coming, more channels, till hooks, export. If you sell across channels or help people who do, I'd love to talk. Thanks.